Hey guys, what's up? And it's still here, and I wanted to quickly show you guys a problem that we had for a very long time, and it was really annoying. So this is a tutorial on how to turn off Apple Music family sharing. So you got a family plan, right? And you want to get rid of the sharing, because I hated having, like, whenever you download a song, it would add to the rest of your family, and that wasn't good. So I'll show you what I did to fix that. So down here, we have a bunch of songs that I downloaded, and you can share playlists now by just texting them to your family, but you cannot whenever you download a song, it won't go directly to you. Okay, so what you do is you go to settings, you go down to iTunes and App Store, and then you change the Apple ID. But I've already changed it, so yeah, that's what you do, and it's awesome. It works fine, and I figured this out like a couple days after we realized we had that problem. Because I would download my songs, and Dad would keep on deleting them, and it's really annoying. So here, I will show you now how to share a playlist, that if you wanted to do that, to one of the people in the family plan. Okay, so what you do is you go to Apple Music, then you go down to the playlist you want to share, and hit why is this not working? Okay, there we go. You'd hit that a couple times, because sometimes it would just do that. But okay, so what you would do now is hit share playlist, and then go to iMessages, but I don't want to do that right now. But yeah, you can do that and send it to one of your family members.